Brad Hall here. I've got a quick video. It's kind of a follow-up video. I did not get that off-white Nike on the sneakers app, but I do have them right here. And the reason I have them is because I did pay resale for them. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about why I decided to bite that bullet and take that plunge. Reason number one, I do really like the way this shoe looks. It is very interesting. It's just a hodgepodge of cool looking elements. I love the double lacing system going on here. Looks to have incredible lockdown. Really big fan of that foil swoosh. Just think that looks really cool. I love that Nike Air back there. And I actually really like those spikes down at the bottom. They're actually very soft. Doing this does not pierce my skin at all. It's not gonna click and clack on the pavement. You should have a pretty normal walking experience. Reason number two that I decided to pick up this shoe right here for over retail. I did see those photos with Virgil wearing it, and it looked pretty cool. Reason number three, it is a really big reason. The resale prices on the shoe, they were not terrible. I did not feel like I was overspending. Felt like I could go to bed at night and sleep through the night, even if I paid that price. So price was a big factor, but probably the biggest factor that I would say, I had to get these shoes because I already got the tights, so I wanted the full outfit. This is gonna pair so well with these tights. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. If you get the tights, this shoe is just a no-brainer. So let me get in here. Got in. So that was a really big factor in making this decision. I'm happy I got the shoes at a little bit over retail. Just a really nice, it is a head turner.